prison birds, and sunflower seeds.
I actually decided to put some sunflower seeds out. So I have 20 seeds here. We'll see if they'll actually eat them. Come back later and count them. It's 20 sunflower seeds, okay? They don't have any salt on them, so don't worry. Now, you see those screens there? That little grass? That's actually the beginning of a nest. So I don't know if the birds that we have here started there and decided to come here. I don't know. But maybe we have another nest in preparation here.